As the Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation (BMC) introduced guidelines for eco-friendly immersion of Ganesh idols, a particularly unique and meaningful celebration by Bakul Foundation volunteers caught attention. They honored Lord Ganesh this year by worshipping him in the form of a tree at Bijupatnaik Park, where the idol will undergo a natural immersion during the rains, making it the most environmentally friendly of all. The Ganesh idol created by the volunteers was entirely eco-friendly. The tree, which served as the body of Lord Ganesha, was dressed in a yellow dhoti and turban. Bamboo baskets, known as kulhas, were used to represent the ears, while the tusks were crafted from papier-mâché. To complete the scene, a painted coconut was used to symbolize the mouse, the beloved vehicle of Lord Ganesha. Sujit Mahapatra, the founder of Bakul Foundation, explained that Lord Ganesha, with his elephant head and human body, has always symbolized the union of all creation, bridging the animal and human worlds. For the volunteers, worshipping a tree as Sri Ganesh seemed a natural choice, drawing from the ancient Indian tradition of tree worship, a practice that continues even today. He also noted that this practice has special significance in Odisha, the land of Lord Jagannath, whose idol is traditionally made from a tree.
एटा आम एक्चुअली 6 वर्ष हेलानी गणेश को गजानन को आम गच्छ गणेश रूप में पूजा करुचु आउर तो सब वर्ष अधिकारु अधिका लोक आप गणमाध्यम माध्यम कि सोशल मीडिया माध्यम जाणिकी बहुत लोक देखा आज तो बहुत लोक निज आड़ू आसते छोट पिला माने बापा माँ मैंने पिला नहीं आसते कि आस गोटे निआरा ठाकुर को देखा आउ कौन आम तुम बुझुच तुम्हें आसी कुह आउ सब भल लगुच कि एथरक गुड़ाई जगार भी आमठू प्रेरणा नहीं लोक मैंने आरंभ कर गच्छरे गणेश को पूजा करने तो लोकंर बहुत भल रही रेस्पॉन्स.
Stay tuned to Orissapost Live to stay updated.